I remember the space age ramping up when I was 8 years old. It was the biggest thing in the news at the time, and it captured all of us. That was the beginning for me. I fell in love with space.
I think it's really exciting that we are allowing more and more opportunities for private citizens in space.
Private astronaut missions are a unique opportunity to leverage the International Space Station. They're exciting not only because you're able to bring additional astronauts to the orbiting laboratory, but it's also an avenue for us to be able to bring more research to the space station that can bring value to humanity.
It serves multiple purposes. One, as a way to offer and expand the people going to orbit, but also to offer us a potential to develop new technologies and test new technologies that we want to use in our station.
This mission, which is Axiom's second all-private astronaut mission to the International Space Station, the ISS National Laboratory is very excited to partner with them in sponsoring all the science that will be conducted during this expedition. They'll be performing a multitude of experiments looking at life and physical sciences, material sciences, technology development, engaging the next generation of researchers and explorers. One of the investigations that they are going to be supporting is from a team over at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center.
On AX2, we have an experiment that's going to be exploring the stem cell reprogramming process. In the best case scenario, we'll be able to demonstrate that the stem cells we're flying on AX2 will be able to proliferate at a greater level than they're able to on the ground. If we're able to demonstrate that, then on further flights, we'd be able to conduct the full reprogramming mission. And then from there, transform those stem cells into, say, beating heart cells, brain cells, and so on. And I think that has a lot of translational value for stem cell therapies and cell-based therapies.
We have something out there that has value. And as a private astronaut, I think it's one of my jobs to help demonstrate and make that value known. And space has so many opportunities, and it needs participants. You don't have to all be astronauts. You need the 1,000 other people that help the mission succeed.
It's great to work alongside the Axiom teams, the NASA teams, and the ISS National Lab teams to leverage space station to its fullest extent and to harness microgravity in a positive way to produce cells and biological products that simply cannot be made on Earth. I'm very excited about the next 5 to 10 years in this area.
That research and development in low Earth orbit is going to open up tons of potential in lots of areas. And expanding our environment from Earth and low Earth orbit to the Moon and then to Mars is what it's all about. And being a part of that process is going to be very exciting.